Transparent wood is an innovative and eco-friendly material that holds great promise for sustainable construction and design. This material is created by removing lignin, a natural polymer that gives wood its color and opacity, and replacing it with a clear polymer. The result is a strong, transparent material that allows light to pass through while retaining the mechanical properties of wood. Here's a simplified guide to making transparent wood. Materials needed. Balsa wood. Thin wood is easier to make transparent. Sodium hydroxide NaO and sodium sulfite Na2SO3 for lignin removal. Hydrogen peroxide H2O2 for bleaching. Epoxy resin or polyvinyl alcohol PVA for polymer infusion. Process 1. Lignin removal. The first step in making transparent wood involves removing lignin. Start by taking a thin piece of balsa wood and soaking it in a solution of sodium hydroxide NaO and sodium sulfite Na2SO3. Heat the solution to 80–100 degrees Celsius and leave the wood in for a few hours. This process breaks down and removes the lignin, the component responsible for the wood's color and opacity. Afterward, rinse the wood thoroughly with water to remove any residual chemicals. 2. Bleaching. Once the lignin has been removed, the wood may still retain some color. To eliminate this, immerse the wood in a solution of hydrogen peroxide H2O2. This bleaching step whitens the wood further, preparing it for the next phase. 3. Drying. After bleaching, carefully dry the wood to prevent warping or shrinking. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the wood structure before the polymer infusion. 4. Polymer infusion. With the wood now lignin-free and dry, it's time to infuse it with a clear polymer. Epoxy resin or polyvinyl alcohol PVA are commonly used for this purpose. The polymer fills the spaces within the wood's cellular structure, making the wood strong and transparent. 5. Curing. The final step is curing the polymer-infused wood. Depending on the type of polymer used, this can be done either at room temperature or in a low-temperature oven. Curing hardens the polymer, resulting in a durable, transparent material. Applications. The result of this process is a transparent, wood-like material with excellent mechanical properties. Transparent wood has potential uses in various industries, particularly in energy-efficient windows, lightweight building materials, and sustainable design. Its ability to combine the strength of wood with the transparency of glass makes it an attractive material for both practical and aesthetic applications. Transparent wood is a breakthrough in the quest for sustainable materials. As researchers continue to refine the process, this innovative material could play a key role in creating more eco-friendly building solutions, offering the strength of wood with the added benefits of transparency.